your heart starts racing just thinking about the in-your-face action of gobblers challenging your decoys, kick aside your old decoys and bring the Avian-X LCD Strutter into your turkey hunting arsenal. Incredible detail and superior lifelike realism are sure to bring in that dominant gobbler. By displaying a dominant posture, the LCD Strutter challenges the pecking order to fool mature gobblers. The LCD Strutter is 15% smaller than a real turkey, so it's light and easy to pack in the field. The carry bag and collapsible stake also make field movements easier, so you're ready for any turkey hunting scenario. You'll be ready with the Avian-X LCD Strutter.
Here's our black anodized aluminum call. Aluminum over glass, set in a beautiful black walnut pot. Aluminum calls are great for reaching out there. They reach out with a lot of volume and they still carry their high-pitched rasp with them. Very versatile call, great sound, kind of a unique sound. If you want to have a different call in your vest that's really, really effective, try the AnoHen. You're going to run your AnoHen just like you do any other pot type call. Draw circles about the size of a dime. Perfect yelps. And for clucking, I'm just snapping it. Keep your striker on the surface all the time. Don't ever pick it up. And always end up right where you start. If you're a hunter that has the glass calls and the slate calls covered and you want something a little bit different, the black anodized aluminum, the AnoHen, makes a unique sound. It's able to reach out there and touch them, has a great sound. Can call raspy like that. Has the ability to tone it down, but it's the best part of having this call is you have a totally different hen in your vest, so it's something different to them. If they're used to hearing that glass and the slate call, the AnoHen might just be what you need. Maintenance on the AnoHen, I would use your scratch pad. It doesn't take much, you don't have to dig into it, just scuff it up enough to clean it off. You can also use your Scotch-Brite pad to clean it off and then touch it with the sandpaper side. Probably have to do that before each hunt. And the striker tip, keep it domed. Don't ever sand it flat. Keep it domed. Knock the dirt off of it and you're good to go.
New turkey vest from Knight & Hale, the RNG 200. It's a very tight-fitting vest. On the left side of here, we have 2 dedicated pot call pots, 4 striker holes right behind it. We've got a dedicated box call pocket on the bottom on the left side. On the right side, we've got some standard pockets. We've got these quick-dry diaphragm holders. Behind that, we have more pockets. We have an easy access pocket. It's got almost 200 square inches of space in the pack on the back. To fit this correctly, we recommend starting your adjustments in the back. You can loosen or tighten this. You can adjust the back and then adjust the front to lower or raise it to where you need it to be. The seat system is a cinching seat system where it can easily go from stowed to deployed with one hand. As you can see, it's got everything you need for a successful hunt.
Hi folks, Andy from the Sauer Academy. What I have here is the Romeo 5 red dot. Simplicity of design far outmatched by the versatility of its function. Designed to mount on any standard pick rail from your air gun, large caliber pistol, subgun, carbine, shotgun, even as a side mount on your scoped rifle. Comes with our MOTAC technology inside. That's a motion activated technology. So when this sight sits idle for about 2 minutes, it goes into a rest mode. Any sort of movement or vibration that's picked up after that, this kicks back on right into the last power setting, brightness setting that you had on it. What that does is helps the 2032, which is side mounted right here. 50,000 hours of battery life. That's helped by that MOTAC technology. Comes standard with 2 mounts, a low mount and a high mount. These high mounts perfectly co-witness with your standard iron sight, so it's that 1.41 height for that really good crisp co-witness. The dot on the inside is an LED dot, not a holographic dot. So you really don't have to worry as much about that dot moving around when you're in alternate positions, shooting barricades, whatever it is. That dot's always going to be right where it needs to be for those accurate shots. Comes with these great covers right here to make sure you're protecting the lenses, which are pre-coated to help with any sort of fogging, things like that. As with all our SIG electro-optics, it comes with a lifetime guarantee on the body, which is that 6000 series aluminum. All right, very rugged. Anything happens to it within its lifetime, already covered. Internal electronics covered for 5 years, just like all our other sights. So to learn more about this great Romeo 5 or any of our other optics,